Hey, this is Eric Johnson with PrinterLogic, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can create a PrinterLogic profile inside of your IGEL Universal Management Suite. So here you can see I have my UMS ready to go. I'm going to choose the option for Profiles, New Profile. Here under the profile name, I'm going to call it PrinterLogic. Under the description, I want to enter something that's going to let me know what this profile is for. So I'll put Printer Management Profile. Here I can select the firmware that this is going to apply to. Once I've done that, I can say OK. Now it's going to open up the device configuration menu, and I'm going to choose my option here under devices. You can see printer as an option, and then PrinterLogic here. Now this is where we get into configuring the profile itself. I click this option and choose to manage printers by printer installer client. Here, we're using HTTPS, so that's correct. The drop-down allows us to also select HTTP. This home URL hostname is actually the name of your Printer Cloud instance. So in this case, mine is igeldemo.printercloud.com. The next step is to obtain an authorization code, and this is actually done inside of your Printer Cloud console. So you're going to open up your Printer Cloud Administrator console here, and navigate to Tools and Authorize Devices. That will bring you to this screen here, where you'll have the option to generate a code and choose the expiry time for that code. Once generated, your code will look like this. We can then select that code and bring that back to our UMS and apply it here. So now that code has been entered here. Once we're done, we're going to choose the mapping and the sessions that it's going to apply to. So I'm going to choose ICA sessions and RDP sessions in this case. And I'm going to save my profile now. From here, that profile has now been created and we want to apply it to our thin clients. So I can select this profile and either choose the thin client folder or choose the individual thin client that this will apply to. So once I drop that in, we're asked when should these changes take effect, either next reboot or now. I'm going to choose next reboot, and those changes will go live. Basically what's happening behind the scenes is our client for Printer Cloud is on a partition, and that partition is enabled once the configurations are completed. This pushes out those configurations and activates those on the thin client. So now any relevant settings that have been determined by the Printer Cloud Administrator will apply to that thin client. Really simple to set up and really powerful tool for you to be able to help manage your printing environment.